Is your Windows PC feeling slower than usual? Or maybe your internet speed suddenly feels inconsistent? The issue might not be your apps or hardware. It could be a hidden Windows settings running in the background. In this video, I will show you how to disable it and improve your PC's performance and internet speed. So let's get started. First, right-click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now from the left side, click on Windows Update. After that, click on Advanced Options. Now here, click on Delivery Optimization. Now before turning it off, let's quickly understand it. This feature allows your PC to download and share Windows updates with other devices. It works like a peer-to-peer system, meaning your PC can send update files to other computers, sometimes even over the internet. While this is useful for offices or multiple PCs on the same network, but for most home users, it's unnecessary. Because in the background, it can use your internet bandwidth, consume system resources, slow down browsing, and cause lag during gaming. At the top, you will see Allow downloads from other devices. If it's turned on, simply switch it off. This will stop your PC from sharing update data and reduce background usage. Now go back to Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. This ensures your system is still properly receiving updates from Microsoft. And that's it. A simple Windows optimization that can help reduce background activity and save your internet bandwidth. Small settings like this can sometimes make a surprisingly big difference in overall system performance. So if you found this guide useful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tech tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.